Super beautiful day. I'm going to go shopping today. Bread. This is my painting trousers. It's a village, it doesn't matter. Then I will take some cheese. Can't find normal knife, but that will be fine. Butter. In villages, you have to eat more fat when you're living a more active lifestyle, like in a farm, or when you're doing a lot of housework or other physical work. At least for me, fat is so important. Yesterday I got it from my neighbors, and I fried bread and cheese. I love fried bread and cheese, and it's good fat anyway. This is my cute coffee cup. So I bought this milk from my neighbors. They have a farm, and for pure beautiful cow's milk, it's only €1 for 3 liters. And the delivery is free. They actually come and deliver this to me. This is the one that I use, Aroma Gold decaf. This dish doesn't look appetizing, but it's very tasty actually. I just finished eating on a messy table, but it's the time of farmhouse renovation. Everything is messy. And I'm going to eat some biscuits and some chocolate. Where is my chocolate? I like Shagetan, and I like another chocolate, but I finished one pack of it, so it's called Geisha chocolate. And this is traditional cookies of Lithuania, very traditional. They are simple tea cookies. Sometimes I like them. Only one piece of chocolate left now. Readable. To the sweeter side though.